Right, let's dive straight in today. We're looking at a service that promises to deliver big Amazon savings right to your screen.
Hmm.
It's called Price Drop Club, or PDC. And the whole idea is it's a shortcut to coupons, hot deals, all that stuff.
Right.
So our mission is pretty simple.
Mm.
Is this a real gold mine for shoppers, or is it, just some clever hype?
Well, right out of the gate, we can see what it is. It's essentially an affiliate-style deal site. It's been around since early 2023.
Right.
And it mainly just tracks things that are already on Amazon, like their lightning deals and the big seasonal sales.
So let's tackle the first question everyone's going to have.
Yeah.
Is it safe? Are there any immediate red flags here?
No, it absolutely passes the basic tests. Our sources show it has a really high trust rating from scam checking tools.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, and it has SSL encryption, no malware flags, nothing like that. It's also pretty transparent. You click a deal, and it just takes you to a real Amazon page.
So just to be clear for everyone listening, this is a normal affiliate model. You don't pay anything extra for using their link.
Exactly. The model is normal, it's legal, and it's fine. Amazon gives them a tiny commission if you buy something, and your price stays the same.
Right. But that clarity, that's kind of where the real critique starts to come in, isn't it? If the site is safe, but it's just, rounding up existing deals,
What's the point?
yeah, what's the actual value it's providing? What am I missing out on if I just use this for convenience?
What you're missing, really, is any kind of proprietary technology. It lacks any original pricing analysis. It's just a nice-looking wrapper for public information.
And that context is so important because you can get the same price drops and a lot more data using free tools, right?
Exactly. We're talking about the industry standard browser extensions like Keepa or Camel.
And what makes them so much better?
They don't just show you today's price, they show you the entire historical price chart that gives you real power.
So you can actually see if that huge discount is a real deal.
Right. Or if it was actually cheaper 3 weeks ago, it lets you know if you're truly getting the best price or just, a minor dip.
Okay, so when PDC pushes that act fast urgency, that's not something unique to them.
Not at all. That's just how Amazon's lightning deals already work. They're just leveraging the platform's built-in urgency for their own clicks.
And what's the general user footprint like? Is this a huge site?
It's pretty modest, actually. The traffic is what you'd expect for a niche deal blog, and the reviews we found were, let's say, very thin. Mostly some YouTube videos that feel very affiliate-friendly.
Which usually suggests a pretty low number of actual users. No flood of complaints means not a lot of traffic.
Precisely.
So let's bring it all together. What is the final verdict for someone who's thinking about using Price Drop Club?
The bottom line is clear. Price Drop Club is legit, and it's safe to browse. You might even save a few bucks if you just enjoy the curated scroll. It's not a scam. But calling it a club is generous. It's really just repackaging Amazon links. If you want maximum savings and real control, the free extensions do the same thing.
Faster and for free, with zero middleman.
Faster, for free, and with that crucial historical context.
So for you, the shopper, it really comes down to a trade-off. It's the convenience of one website versus the power and context you get from a free tracking tool.
And that brings up a really interesting thought to consider. The business model here is just turning the act of checking public data, Amazon's own prices, into a website with a catchy name to get traffic.
Right.
So it makes you wonder what other information that you can already get for free is being successfully repackaged and marketed to you for clicks.
Something to think about. And just a reminder, this has been educational commentary based on a public review of the business model, and it is not shopping or financial advice.